In front of me is a OPPO F15 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, you need to open device's settings and tap on Bluetooth. Activate it thanks to this switcher at the top right corner if it's not already on. Then, wait for OPPO devices to show, and when they do, tap on the one you wanna connect to. Select this icon next to allow access to contacts and call logs to enable or disable it, and then hit pair. Wait for the other device to accept your connection request, or accept it manually. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. To manage this connection, use this icon next to any paired device, and check out all of those options, including unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!